Namaste, hello there. Welcome to Himalayan Singing Ball Pokhara. Today again we are going to talk about mountain healing ball. What is the difference between singing ball and healing ball? And also we are going to talk about where they are came from, why they are so popular, why they are so expensive, and what is the purpose to have them, and how to use them. That's the very important. Today we have a singing ball and we have a healing ball. So, what is the difference? Basically, first of all, we are going to talk about what is the difference. This is a singing ball. This is made with a machine, and they sing beautiful song. And if we look from outside, they looks very beautiful. They are always very equal. And the healing ball, they are not looks very beautiful because they are made with a hand, and they are never be equal. But if you just play them, you will see the differences very easily because they have a huge vibration and the sound is very long term. So modified version of the singing ball is a healing ball. The singing ball is made with a machine. The healing ball they are made with the hand. And there is already the loss of healing power what we can feel. Even if you just put in your palm and hit the ball, you will feel all the healing powers inside it. Okay, this is why we call healing ball. Of course there is a 7 different metal inside it, and the machine made ball, they are limit quantity of the metal inside it, and they made with the machine. This is why they don't have loss of vibration inside. It doesn't mean that they are bad. They are good enough for souvenirs and sing the song. They sing different song for us, but the healing ball, they sing the different song for us and they heal our body. This is why we call a healing ball. There is a 7 different metal: gold, silver, copper, iron, lead, mercury, and tin. The 7 different metal, the combination of 7 different metal has a huge power already. And why they use 7 different metal? Because if we look in our universe, there is a 7 universe in our planet. Okay, and then we have a 7 days in our week, and then we have a 7 different chakras inside our body. We have a lots of chakra inside our body, but the 7 important chakra, they are very important chakra. Basically we are here with these 7 chakras. So this kind of ball made with the 7 different metal, made with the hand, just play like this, it start to talk with you. It start to talk with our chakras to remove all the negativity from our body, to gives all the positive vibration inside our body. And they have a huge power to clean the chakras, to active the chakras, and to balancing the chakras. This is why we call the healing ball. They are so popular in the mountain country of Nepal because all the way they are come from Tibet. When China take over Tibet, the Tibetan monks, they bring this idea to Nepal and India. They bring the Himalayan healing ball with them. When the mountain region, the people who live in mountain region, they saw the effect of the ball, they saw the vibration of the ball, they saw the healing power of the ball, and they start to produce the ball themselves. This is why in Nepal and India they are so popular. The healing balls are the mountain healing balls. They call singing ball, they call mountain healing ball, they call Tibetan healing ball, they call Tibetan singing ball. They are quite differences, but they are basically made with the same method and same idea, but only the sound and the vibration is different. That's the reason mountain healing ball are so popular in the market. What we call Tibetan ball is also the same, because we call it Tibetan ball because of the history behind it. They already have lots of history behind it. They are all the way come from Tibet. So this is why they are so popular. So 7 metal healing ball is this one. So the ball, if the ball is made with hand, and if they use 7 different metal, we can make several different sound with the help of 2 different sticks. For example, we have this stick. So listen the sound. This is one beautiful sound. Number one. I'm gonna stop it. I turn the stick. Then we have another beautiful sound. The first one is, well, the slow, and this is a little bit high pitch. This is the third sound. So you have a first, second, and third. If I push a little bit harder in the ball with the help of a stick, you see there is a very clear sound of Om. This is number 4 sound. And then you have a 2 different sound at once. That is number 5. Okay, 5 sound already. This is a temple sound. Even we can hear that sound in the church. See? And then finally, this sound. This is a relaxing sound. It will gives you the power to active our heart chakra, because this is a very relaxing sound and very quiet sound, and the sound is very long term. I already feel all the vibration is coming through my body. See, all the vibration from the ball I feel inside your body, and there is 7 different sound we already made. So 7 different sound. Each of the sound can connect with our each of the chakras that we feel. That is why we call the healing ball. Why they are so popular. Even if you just hold in your palm, hit the ball, it start to talk with you the positive way. It will give you the positive vibration. This message is connected to our third eye chakra, because there is if I just play the ball, it has a O frequency, very long, and this is a universal word of Om. Its effect to our third eye chakra, even other chakra also start to move, to start to active the chakras, to balancing the chakra. This is why the Himalayan healing ball are so popular. And then this is all about the believing part. Also we can look for the scientific proof how does it can work inside our body. For example, here in the next healing ball I have a full of water. If I turn this water with the stick, it has a huge vibration, see, very huge vibration. If I hit this ball, it has a huge power already, it has a huge vibration. If I put this ball up my body, heat is gonna make the same sense, because all we have a 60-70% of water. Here we have 100% water, but here we have a 60-70% of water. So what it's gonna do, if I heat like this, it's gonna vibrate all the water inside our body, and that kind of vibration we feel all the chakra is moving. When the chakra is blocked, we will be ill, we will be sick. The help of the healing ball, when we just put up our body and heat, is going to start to active all the chakras inside our body. And the person who has the migraine, depression, high blood pressure, they always can use this ball inside your head and hit the ball. Just close your eyes and feel the resonance and feel the vibration. It's already start to work inside our body. It start to heal our body, to active all the chakras, to forget all the negativity and start the positive feelings. Okay, but every human body has a defense system itself. What we have to do, we have to active them. But this kind of ball is help you to active all the energy from inside our body, to defend all the diseases, all the problems what we are facing every day. This is why they are so popular. And this ball doesn't have any side effect. They are just a metal ball made with the hand, and there is no chemical, there is no plastic, nothing. So anybody, they can use it very easily. Okay, for the person who are using them as a first time, they don't know how to use it, they are just worried what to do with the ball. please just hold in your palm, play it, and try to talk with them. Try to talk, try to understand with the ball. It will give you the positive message. You have to understand them. Everything what we see outside surrounding us, they try to speak with us, but we don't understand them all the time. So what we have to do, we have to try to understand them. Everything what we see, they talk, they have a sense. We have to understand them. The ball, every different ball, they talk with us. There is a different kind of ball you can find in the market, even small, big, very big size, any size. They have a positive message, and they try to sing for us, and they are going to give us the positive message, but we don't understand them. This is why the people don't know how to use them. Just play them nicely and feel the resonance, feel the vibration from them, and feel all the healing power. Because the healing ball, when they made them, they already have lots of healing power inside. The universe has a power. They transplant all the power to the ball, and when you play the ball in your palm close to your area, it will transplant all the universal power to our body. That is what we call healing ball. That is the old traditional therapy, what we call sound healing therapy here in Nepal. That is very effective if you regularly use them. And they have a power inside. We have to catch this power and transplant to our body. This is why they are healing ball. And what is the difference? I already tell you, the singing ball, they are good enough, but sing and only for so minutes. The healing ball, they are good to use them for heal our body, to active all the chakras, meditation, yoga, therapy. For all the basic needed, you can use them for your daily life. That is what we call healing ball. And there is different sizes, but we prefer always the master healing ball. This is master healing ball because it's a head size, and there is a 7 different sound inside, and there is a 7 different metal inside, and this is one ball can heal all the 7 chakra at once. That is why we Himalayan singing ball company here in Pokhara, we produce almost the healing ball all the time, master healing ball, and our customer required always the master healing ball to buy and use them. They are very easy to use. Any other question, if you have any doubt, please you can always put the comment in our comment box. We will always gives you the right answer, and we can exchange all the feelings about it, because no one is complete and no one is perfect in this world. We can exchange the information, we can exchange our feeling, and please love the singing ball and use them. It's gonna change your life. It's gonna change every day to your life, gives you the positive message. This is what we're focusing on it. Namaste. Thank you very much.